Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple but incredibly useful Google Sheets tip, how to rename a link so it looks clean, clear, and professional. If you've ever shared a spreadsheet filled with long, messy URLs, you already know how confusing that can be. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn those links into clean, readable text that's much easier to understand and work with. Let's get started. The first step is to copy the Google Sheets link you want to use. This could be from your browser's address bar or any shared link you already have. Once you've copied it, go into your spreadsheet and paste that link into any cell where you want it to appear. As soon as you paste it, Google Sheets will automatically convert it into a clickable hyperlink. This is helpful, but by default, it displays the full URL, which is usually long and not very user-friendly. If you're aiming for a cleaner and more organized sheet, you'll want to change how that link is displayed. Next, click directly on the link inside the cell. When you do this, a small pop-up will appear near the cell. This pop-up includes a few options that allow you to interact with the link. Look closely for a small pencil icon in that pop-up. This is the edit option. It might not be immediately visible, so if you don't see it right away, try hovering your mouse over the link again until it appears. Google Sheets can be a bit sensitive with clicks, so take your time here. Once you click the pencil icon, you'll open a small editing window. This is where you can change how your link is displayed. By default, it will still show the full URL, but now you have the option to replace it with something more meaningful. Go ahead and type a clear, descriptive name for your link. For example, instead of a long URL, you could write something like Project Budget, Team Dashboard, or Monthly Report. This makes a huge difference, not just visually, but also in terms of usability. Think of it this way. If your spreadsheet is filled with unnamed or messy links, it's like having unlabeled folders. You'll constantly have to open things just to figure out what they are. But when your links are clearly labeled, everything becomes easier to navigate, especially when you're collaborating with others. After entering your desired name, simply click Apply. Instantly, the long URL will be replaced with your clean, readable text, while still keeping the link fully functional. And that's it. Your spreadsheet now looks more organized, more professional, and much easier to understand. If you ever need to update the link name again, just repeat the same steps. This small change might seem minor, but it can significantly improve how you present and share your work, especially in team settings, reports, or client-facing documents. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to learn more Google Sheets tips and tricks, feel free to drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video.